Well, thank you, Fran. This week we're back to speeding again, and we've touched on this before, Chris. We spoke about cameras that don't have policemen with them, fixed camera sites and things. I want to talk about cameras because we've had lots of questions. Cameras operated by policemen. Mm-hmm. For example, on a motorway bridge, when the policeman's there with his radar gun, getting the traffic coming down towards him, he takes a picture of a car, it's got a number plate on it, yeah, fine. If he takes a picture of a bike, it hasn't got a number plate on it.
Right.
So does that mean if you see a policeman on a bridge, you don't need to slow down? That's what this guy's saying, isn't it?
Yes, you don't need to slow down.
Well, yeah, I know it is, but what he's saying is, if I don't slow down, it doesn't matter, because if he takes me a picture, he doesn't know who I am.
But there are various ways we can combat that.
Yeah.
You could be working with a partner, who could then be spotting the bike as it goes away and pick up registration plate.
Right.
It could be you've got a device whereby you've got the speed detection equipment focused on the bike, but the camera is focused the opposite direction to pick up the registration plate.
No, that's quite clever, isn't it?
You can work in cahoots with somebody further down the road. If there's a particular problem, for instance, you might go down a pair of you.
Yeah.
So you can say, right, I've just stopped, or just seen ZZR, Kawasaki, rider in red, white helmet, travelling at so-and-so speed, and then your partner down the road knows exactly what the vehicle is and can pull it in.
Right, okay. Right, so you do have to slow down.
Yes.
Right. What about the guidelines for speed limits? I mean, is there a national guideline that tells you when you should be stopping vehicles?
Yeah, basically, if you were, rule of thumb is 10% plus 2 miles an hour.
10% plus 2 miles an hour. So that's on a motorway, that's 79 miles an hour?
Yeah, and then you can be looking at potentially getting a fixed penalty ticket. And that's potentially £1,000 fine, plus points, possible disqualification, and possible retest.
Right, okay. So what's this? I heard a long time ago, someone said, if you're doing more than 30 above the limit, say on a motorway, if you're doing less than a tonne and you get pulled, you'll probably get a fixed penalty. If you're doing above a tonne, you'll certainly get a summons, and you may well. Is that
yes.
right?
Yeah.
So it's on a motorway, if you're more than 30 miles an hour over the limit.
If you're doing 100 miles an hour, you're going to get reports on summons, yeah.
Right, fine. There you go. So we've cleared it up. So they can catch you. So be very careful.